Which of the following data sets have outliers? So we have 4 sets of data, and let's remember that an outlier is a number that is relatively much larger or smaller than the rest of the numbers in the data. So let's take a look at each set of data and see if we can find any outliers. So in data set 1, we have 13, 18, 22, 25, and 100. So we're starting out with 13 and gradually getting a little bit higher, and then all of a sudden we make a jump from 25 to 100. 100 is then going to be an outlier. It is relatively much larger than the other 4 numbers of 13, 18, 22, and 25. Then we have set number 2. Set number 2 is 17, 52, 63, 74, 79, and 83. So we have right away a big, huge jump from 17 to 52. We're going from this small number of 17 up to 52. And we go from 52, then a little bit less gradual, a little more gradual to 63, 74, 79, 83. We have a relatively much smaller number than the rest of those numbers, so that's an outlier. Then we have data set 3, where we have 13, 15, 17, 21, 26, 29, 31, and then, we have a huge jump to 75. 75 is relatively much larger than the rest of the numbers. We're jumping right from 31 to 75. That's over 40 points, or 40 numbers, so that is going to be an outlier. And then in data set 4, we have 1, 25, 32, 35, 39, 40, 41. So right away, just like data set 2, we have the number 1, and then we jump up 24 numbers to get to 25, and then we're going much more gradual to 32, 35, 39, 40, 41. So 1 is relatively much smaller than the rest of the numbers. So in fact, each of the following data sets have an outlier. Data set 1, 2, 3, and 4 all have outliers. A number relatively smaller in the case of 2 and 4. A number relatively larger as in the case of 1 and 3, making our answer choice D.